What's up, and welcome to this stream. We are back. I've been away for a week. Went to see Blink-182 in another state, but we are back. Where are we back? Here. This is a game engine written from... Wait, you can't jump in there anymore. Written from scratch in OpenGL and C++. Today I'm going to get a scope on this AK, so you can just aim down the sight, and that's basically it. Get some glass on there. But there's quite a lot to do to make that happen. Last time I tried to get this lamp looking better, but it still looks kind of like shit because that's very dark. Anyway, that's what's happened today. Scope day. So yes, I wasn't prepared at all today. I forgot there's heaps of shit to do, like make a thumbnail, check the playlist to save. Will that stream on Twitch? Nah, this is already too hard to manage for me. But what's up? Yeah, I just want to fucking get going. I reckon this one will be a shorter one, maybe 4 hours. So let's begin. I'll show you what's happening. I downloaded this model on a bit of a whim. Am I still big? I'm still big. Wait, no, I'm not. Yes, I am. Okay, got it. I downloaded this model, and for the purpose of stealing their scope and the mount. Yeah, that's right. Anyway, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Just get this in there. How does my computer work? First 100 minutes, because my clock only goes up to 100. I'm gonna, first 100 minutes, get the model in there, get it on the fucking AK, get the textures in there, get the glass working, and then second I'm gonna do the logic. So the ADS animation, which I hope I have somewhere, or I'm fucked. My voice is low. Should I just turn the music down? Yeah, all my shit's pretty fucked. Give me a sec. Mic is low. Alright, give me 1 sec. Just hang out. Mic is low. Desktop audio. Mic. Here we go. Is that any better? Yep, wait up. How's that? All good? Or was it good before? Yeah, like I was saying, I didn't, man, I don't know. It's important that we have the music. Alright. I'm just gonna start by starting the bomb and then just going nuts. I'm good. I'm just checking the sound's alright. We're all good. Sweet. Okay. So if you didn't hear anything I said in the beginning, I'm sorry. What I'm doing today is getting the AK-47 scope in the game and working. And logic and yeah, all that shit. So let's do this.
Okay, let's go.
Here we go. Alright. Slow start. Always a slow start. 3ds Max, my favorite modeling program. Let's go. Muzakir, hello. Alright. Now everybody, continue to tell me if the sound is wrong. Specifically if there's like echo, because that's a hard thing to manage. Make the timer 420, it only goes up this high. Alright, so let's take a look at this fucking thing we just bought. Okay. Come on, motherfucker. First up, I'm going to import my other AK just to get the size comparison, because who knows. Actually, let's just look at this new thing. Let's take a look at this. FBX, perhaps? We'll go OBJ. Okay, so I'm stealing this mount. Well, that looks okay. I need my AK to get the size right. It's been a while since I've worked on this. Actually, that's a lie. I was working on it all day, but I was doing different shit to this. Here we go. Hell res models. AKF. Ooh. This one. Okay. We all good? Serial, hello. I didn't ban you, but you can come back if you just behave, you know? That's it. Okay, you know what? After all that, I actually want to use a different file. This one. Carlos. Because it doesn't have the arms and all that other bullshit. Cool. Orthographic. We'll go Clay. And front view ZL. Nice. Let's get that scope in. I'm gonna take it from that folder here. Where is it? Wireframe, please. What the fuck? I can't see the old one. Yes, I can. It's right here. Classic. Classic shit. Okay, so... I need to figure this out. I don't know. You can pull it all-nighter if you want. Let's get this AK. Man, this is fucking confusing. You know why? Because there's all this extra shit. I don't know which stuff's mine. I don't know which is mine. I'm gonna delete these, whatever they are. I'm gonna delete these. No, neither does. Oh, I need a good way to do this. Perhaps like just looking what my own file meshes are called. 3ds Max. I'll figure this out, don't you worry. Don't you worry. God damn this. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna... That's right. Okay, this plan was all bad. I can just place it on there. Oh, I don't know how it's supposed to look. God damn this. I'm just a bit confused, right? That's what's happening right now. Alright, fuck all this whole AK off, and I'll just take them out, right? That's all I want. I can use my eyes. What I was going to do is shrink their AK down until it matches my size perfectly, but fuck it. That's not easy to do. Apparently. So cool, this is what I want. I'll just save that. Desktop. No. Yes, now I know what's happening. Scope. ACOG, I think that's what it's called. Yes. Save. This is all still fucking confusing. If I just name these correctly, I'll never have a problem again. Scope ACOG. Scope mount. Alright, that's all I needed all along. In fact, save that. Fuck this. Scope. Oh. I just have to grind this out for 1 minute in silence because I'm fucking wasting a lot of time here. How? Yes. Res. Models. This one, please. Or maybe this one. We'll go this one because that's the one I want to mount it onto. Yes, please. And the arms. How lovely. Not what I wanted, but we're going to roll with it. Scope. And yes, I know you're gonna be fucking giant. That's fine by me. Let's just get you where you belong. Whew. In fact, I'm going to put this at 0, 0 in the world. Because all I want to do really is get the scale right here. Hold on, let me just fucking relax before I lose my fucking mind. What's up, everybody? Death Note. Yeah, I've been rewatching Death Note. How good is it? Yeah, alright. What's up? What's up? Is that too big? I just don't know. Way to go to not give me an actual side-on view to fucking compare to. Okay, looks like it comes about to the bottom of there. I reckon I'm just a bit too big. This track it's loud. Look, I can't spend all my whole life on this, that's just how it's going to be. And I'm putting it at 0, 0 in the world, I'm going to delete everything else. And then just start getting that somewhere. What the fuck is all this shit? It's all the bones. How is there more bones here? We're in. Okay. I cannot believe this is so slow. Okay. Lovely. Great. Let's get in the fucking engine. And let's put this to true. I prepared this earlier. First step is to spell the word what the fuck? T-R-U-E. Whew. Alright. That's just going to render AK-47 in the world right here, and then I'm going to put the mount on it. And pair it to the bone. Which is required. Here it is. Okay, cool. I need a mount. Let's use the... How am I going to do this? I need to restart this so it loads the fucking mount file. This song is very schizophrenic. Let's go to the renderer. Let's find the draw scene function. Let's go in there. Lovely. Now, literally anywhere, I will just find that bone. Draw the mount. Okay. Somewhere there's some... What's the function called? There's like get the... Okay, where I spawn the AK mag. No, spawn AK perfect casing. Because what I want to do here is just get the position of the bone. The AK bone. This one, weapon bone. Give me that shit. Okay, right. Get the... Fuck it, I know what I'm doing, don't need a fucking comment. Okay, so I need to get this thing here. It's an animated game object, that's right. Whoop, why am I calling it that? I'm gonna call it AK. What's this called? What's it? It's called test. Lovely. Alright, grab a pointer to that object. Now, get the model of that. The animation. How do I do this? The bone index. Let's just type this shit here. Go! Now, you surely have these, right? Basically, this is just an array of all the bones in the world space position of the bones. Okay, you've got that. I might wrap this. Oh, that's fine. Look, I just want to render that mount first somewhere. What about where I render the tree? scope. Once this is in the world, we can have a little chat. But until then, I need to just grind this out. 3, 2, 1 meter. 1 meter, 0.6. The model is called what? It's called... What did I save it as? Scope. Oh, we're gonna need textures and everything. That's gonna take a long time. You can just be gold for now. Not that. Scope. You can just be called that. Okay. Where's that gonna go? I feel like the scale is also very large. Because the AK model is like 100 times too big. The guy with the second monitor phobia. I just don't need one. I just don't need one. I don't need one. How do I increase my typing speed? I type very poorly. We know that. We know that. Where's the scope? Here it is. Oh, lovely. Cool. Okay, so I just want to put it on there now. I think. So by looking up its name, which is this, I can render it there. I should just position it there, really. Where was I doing all this? Here. So I'm basically just going to position this there, I suppose. You need this. There's going to be no offset, is there? Just right where it belongs. What the fuck is all that shit? Okay, model matrix of what? Presumably the AK. No offset. Cool, cool, cool. The matrix is the position. Is that what I want? I suppose. So in this fucking ugly bunch of code... Nah, I don't want to do it like that. I just want to basically get that model. Shader set. So this just sets the model matrix of the thing I'm about to draw to what? M. And maybe you're not a pointer, you are a... I see. Cool. I'm figuring this out slowly. Get model. Called what? Scope ACOG. Just draw that. Cool. So that was all. Whoops. This was just bullshit. I'm not going to add it to the world like that. What happens here? Level design? Nah. I mean, maybe, but there's heaps of shit that he's doing. And the map editor is already pretty, is pretty shit at the moment. Yeah, I know. There's heaps of stuff I need to do and am doing poorly. I'm just fucking trying to keep up. Unity, it's fine if you want to make a game in Unity. Where's this mount? Wow, it's actually on the AK. Cool, so that's not even that bad. That's not even that bad. Let's just ship the model file. Yeah, I don't want to be moving around in the code because it's always going to be in that position. But this does require rebooting. What's up, John Doe? How you doing, man? Now this ain't Polyphia, it's Polyphia type beat. Because... let's see if I moved it back that far. As if I moved it back that far. Homer, you haven't seen the shoddy? I'll show you. Okay, just bear with me while I get this right. Fuck, I was way too aggressive there. I feel like it's moving more than I'm moving it. Oops. I swear once this is in, shit will speed up. What's up, Hippiopium? I live in Tasmania, and the time is 10:22 PM. God damn this. I think it needs to be right, like, this part needs to be here. I would say. So it's not very far, it's like, as far as this. I hope. Scope. Done. Let's go. Let's see what we get. Please be good. Ooh, pretty fucking close. Alright. We'll say that's good. And I will fire up some Photoshop to get the textures in there. And just to check shit's good, I'm gonna put a different animation on that, just to check that that actually works, because that did seem a bit too easy. Man, all these new songs are not playing, they're not the same volume at all. What's up, cuz? Green tea? No, I never really drank green tea. 9th grade. Lona is in 9th grade, he's learning C. Sick. What's up, Sniper? Thank you for being such a G mod. Alright, that's... well, it's working. It's just... now I can't tell if it's in the right spot. Looks good to me. So... let's just fire that off again. Now... what is going on? God damn, computers. This is Polyphia. This will surely get me banned again. 2x textures. What is this? That's their AK, which is disgusting. ACOG. What's this? It's got the glass, so that surely is the base color for the... how am I gonna do this? I can't think with this song. This is the scope. Albedo. Normals. Textures. Paste. And it's called the scope, isn't it? Scope. Is that what I called it? I can't remember anymore. Scope, I did. Let's just try that. I learned to code by programming. Yeah. This you guys can't join the Discord right now. Come back after the stream because it gets overwhelmed and then it just blocks it. But I actually like that. It means only people who really care can come back. It stops people just harassing it right now. There's no point going to the Discord, it's stream time. Okay, cool. That looks pretty sick. Now it's got to do the same thing for this, I suppose. Yeah. So instead of taking this one, I will take the one from the player. That'll do, yeah. If... we need a player pointer, don't we? Player... He can be player 1. I'm just going to hack this together for player 1. Get a pointer from that. Okay, if player 1's get current weapon index equals the AK, then do all this shit. Wait, no, then just make that... Whoops. If the player has the AK out, then what? Then replace this pointer with the player's weapon pointer. Get first person weapon like that. Pointer? Let's try that. If all goes to plan, that'll just appear on this gun in a few seconds. Ah, well, close, but it's missing some things. Let's think about this. The weapon sway matrix. I think... Is it gay if you're always looking forward to the streams? No, man. And I don't think we can use that word like that anymore. It's disrespectful. So, I just need what? The weapon sway matrix. Now where the fuck is that? And where does it go? God damn it. This is disgusting, but I'm just gonna check this again, and then add the matrix to this somehow. M equals what? M times player get camera matrix. Camera, weapon, sway matrix. What are you? Inaccessible. Well, I have that little getter function. Is this audio okay? Joshua asks, does this mean I need a recode aiming system to support the scope? Yeah, that's part 2 of this, speedrun. I have animations, like I have animations for whatever it's called. And then, yeah. Oh, lovely. But I think something's up. Like, I feel like the lighting is wrong. The way to test that is to display normals, for one. Well, I can see here that they're on. Now in the past I've pleaded to the chat to fix this for me, but guess what? I know how to do it now. I go to here and add a edit normals modifier. And they're correct when they're blue, says the internet. Reset. Lovely. And you too. Edit. That's the shit. Scope. And reload everything. YouTube compression. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's also Australia that just sucks. Trying to catch these questions, but yeah, Joshua, I have the animations already. Whoops, I'm big. Very, very sorry. As you can see, the normals are now correct. So let's just get that lighting back. It looks alright, it just doesn't have any color. I mean, it doesn't have the right, the roughness and metallic aren't correct. And that's because they're right here. So how am I going to do this? I'll just copy this scope, this one. Because the way this engine works is I put these in channels of another texture. So first I need roughness. Like that. Now I'm going to need metallic, I think. I'll just copy that. I'll rasterize that. Copy, yep, delete that. Channels green is metallic, and that can be white for ambient because there is none. What's going on? That's it apparently. Save. Fire off a build, and let's get the textures for the mount. The mount. Okay. Scope mount dot, underscore albedo scope mount underscore normals. Let's get them in there too. Fire off that build. Now, I have to actually draw these meshes individually, don't I? We know there's two. Draw. What happens if I build this? Is that not working? What's the error? Mesh draw doesn't work like that, apparently. Does not use what? Are you a pointer or something? I mean, not a pointer? I don't know what's going on. My full stack. Yeah, I don't know how to wear clothes. Joshua asks something about the textures. Do you think they don't look realistic? I reckon they look fucking pretty accurate. Oh, god damn it. Where am I? Uh-oh. Sorry. Don't... Ignore that. I just made a new scene, like wiped everything and it crashed. Okay, I need to, basically copy this like I did before. RMA stands for roughness, metallic, and ambient occlusion, if you're wondering. This is done. What I was going to say, Joshua, is this does support realistic textures. Unless you're asking something else. Cool. So it looks like mesh 0 is the mount. Text 1 is the scope. And when that hot loads, they'll both be there, hopefully with the right textures. I don't know why it jumps out. Looks okay, I have to be certain though. Look at that. RMA. I mean, how do I do this? Cool. So that's alright, just the mount needs it. Real good? Yes, everyone, fix your posture. Get comfortable. Relax. Get back. Where are we? Yep, pretty good. Metallic. just like before, paste that in, rasterize it, copy it, delete the texture, layer, paste that into there and make this one white. That is it. Save. But actually I need to delete it from here because yeah, I need to delete it from here. Because what happens is this engine, when it first encounters a file, it compresses it and puts it in this folder. But I realized I just compressed the wrong one. Scope, mount, I don't know, hasn't done it yet. My mistake. Everything was fine. Uh-oh, I just thought of something. I need to make the glass a separate texture. PNG and JPEG are pretty shit, really. You want to be using some lossless format. We're almost there. Music too loud, maybe. I think some of these songs are just too loud, that's all. Cool. Everything good. What do we look like now? Pretty good on there. What about on here? Oh, look at that. That's nice. Well, I'm almost done. How much time do I have? 67 minutes. No, I'm not done. The glass needs doing. I guess this guy can go away now. Is it ever helpful to have that? Only one scope can exist at a time. I think that served its purpose, so I can just delete that now. If false. And I also can't ever do this then, this shit. Draw the mount. What's going on? Let me just figure out these braces. No. Oh yeah. What's going on? I think that's okay. I'm just gonna build and check that works. Tenu, we are working on a scope for the AK. Yeah, the shotgun reload bug is fixed. Wolf, thanks for keeping up to scratch. Yeah, before if you fired, I'm not sure what the bug was. It was when, if you didn't, it's gonna take ages to empty these. It was when the shotgun could take one more bullet. No, it could take two more bullets, but you only had one left. I think. Sorry. Okay, like right... Actually, it's still there. God damn it. Well, I must have fixed a different bug then. And I'm gonna fix this today as well too. There's something fucking weird there, look at that. Okay. So, new scene... Let's do the glass, which means they need to be separated from here, I suppose. Collapse that modifier. Am I big? No. Yep. I wasted all your time and then it was wrong. Detach. Scope, glass, which? Front? I don't know what's the front. That's probably really the back, isn't it? I would say. Now I got a feeling that's gonna fuck up the mesh order potentially. but we'll see. Because I'm assuming that mesh 0 is the mount and mesh 1 is the scope. Who knows what they're going to be now. 3ds Max just sort of picks what it wants there. What's up, Rasputin? Looks like it's the front of the muzzle, that one. Wait. Well, that seemed to be totally fine. I reckon the textures are still correct. I won't know though. For certain, because it's all just black, isn't it? I don't know how to know. Well, I can do it like this. Systematically, just check. I think... No, they're fine. I better see if they were wrong. So the glass needs to be rendered in its own weird way now. I think it's a cigarette break, because I have no plan yet for that one. What's up, Russia? I've never been to Tokyo, no. And I've never smoked a spliff. What props do I need? I need a lot. I want a piano, and I want to make it so you can play the keys. I want basically an entire bathroom, shower, towel rack, basin, everything. I want a bunch of different toilets. I want kitchen cupboards. I want a whole house. Whatever you have in your house, that's what I need. Maybe I shouldn't do the glass now, and I should move on to the animations, so I can actually see the glass. I don't know. Bag says a hello. Wait, what's the function for the bones in the game engine? I don't know what you're asking, Joshua. The bones are just part of like skeletal animation, I think. Okay, I really want that glass back, but I want it to look good, so I'm going to just render it with maybe the glass shader. Imagine if that just worked. I could try. Let's try it. Let's steal all this code and go to the glass pass and see what happens. This renders the windows, apparently. Does it? Does it? For every window, render glass. Okay, yeah, so let's also just render the player's thing here. That can go. And let's tidy this up. What? It doesn't like that. That's because we are a different shader now. We are the glass shader. What will this do? Let's just go 3 and 4 with the scope texture. What this does basically is just this whole function we're in now renders all the windows, and now I'm just going to render these and see what happens. I'm from Tasmania, Australia. Tasmania is a little island below Australia, and I work for some graphics. No, I'm a graphics programmer for a company, but I'm not telling you what it is because it's sort of private. I want to keep that shit secret, you know, not secret. Just there's nothing to gain by me telling you where I work. Redefinition of player. That's because it must be passed in as a pointer. Yeah, I mean a parameter. The font, I don't know. The font is that. Uh-oh, we crashed. Why? Invalid operation. Because this shader hasn't been used yet. It wasn't bound. and I tried to set a uniform. I love to make tutorials. I really want to. I want to make a tutorial series of just how to fucking get this shit set up properly and quickly. And yeah, just how to make a first-person engine basic one. Now what's the problem? S is undefined. Well, who wrote that? Damn, I didn't mean to put weed in this, but I did. That's a problem. Imagine if this just worked. What the fuck is the problem now? Location is invalid. Apparently there's nothing called model in this shader. Well, there is. And that shader was already bound. Glass. Okay, time to think. It hates this line. But why? Ah, that's wrong. That's correct. Build. I got a few different shaders that do different glass things. Where did you learn C++? I learned C++ just by working on this project and Googling the stuff I didn't know. It's going good thus far. Okay, so that breaks everything. Why? Let's just comment out all this shit. In fact, just this. And see if that was breaking it. I feel something else is going wrong, not just this. PC specs, if you type this, it tells you. This is a custom engine, David. Damn it, what the fuck is happening? Well, things were good until I wrote any of that shit, so what's happening here? Yeah, OpenGL, that's what this is. Design pattern, nah, I don't follow any design pattern. What the hell? When did that break? When did everything go black? This is when you just undo everything and wait till you can build again and then start again. The prior experience I had was making 2D games in like game maker kind of programs, like drag and drop kind of thing. And that's all I needed, I guess, I don't know. Cool, we're rendering again. So why does it hate this? Yeah, why does it hate that? I don't understand. Ah, that was needed. Whoops, I took that out. I get it. I deleted this line, which is needed for all this extra shit. I don't see my thing, do you? No. Maybe it is there? I need to see what's going on by... How am I going to do this? I need to see what the glass texture contains. Can I do that? In the glass composite shader, glass texture. Let's just see that only. And I didn't see my thing. So why? I was expecting to see the little scope glass in here, which is very sad. That's very sad. Could it be because I had that line commented out? Probably. Do you have UML diagrams? What's that? FPS ain't bad. It is 10 PM or 11 PM. We crashed because why? Perhaps 3 4 2 3. When do you think we'll be able to see the beta-ish version of the game? In a bit of time, like hopefully only a couple of months, I'll have a multiplayer demo out. Haha, look at that! That's it. That's sick. Well, let's get everything going. Well, we're not gonna know what that looks like until we render the get the animations in. But that's cool. You know what? It's kind of fucked. It's a bit bright, isn't it, or something? What if I was to not do this? That's better, but now the windows look very dark. I could just make a uniform that is a bit, that removes that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Wait. Windows. Set bool is window. True. You tell me that's not English? Cool. Now, in the glass shader, so if you is a window, do this, and only then. Rebuild. There was a question about HDR for direct specular lighting. I'm gonna Kenneth, what I'm gonna do, Kenneth, is rewrite this renderer in Vulkan soon and then ray trace that value, the specular color. My Visual Studio theme is Visual Assist. A frag file is a fragment shader. Every pixel you see here has two shaders that pick the color. First, the vertex shader renders the triangle. So the triangle hits the vertex shader, then the fragment shader runs for every pixel of that triangle, and the color is determined based on all the fucking shit you see in here. Although that's the shader for the glass. That's the glass fragment shader. Well, this is going quite nice. Am I still big? No, good. Cool. Well, that looks fine to me. So now I need... How much time do I have? An hour. It's going to be both multiplayer and single player. It's going to be a single player roguelike. Like you work through one house, kill all the families, kill the family, get the gear, go to the next one. And that will be also playable with 2 players. Whoops, I'm behind the door. Yeah. Oh wow, he's only got the glass. He doesn't, I don't know if you can see that, but he doesn't have the scope. He has the player 2 just has the glass. That's very funny. So, And no scope on there. Anyway. That's so funny to me. So, I can just start the next task. I just worked way too quickly there. Maybe it's question time. Family as in a mobster family, right? Nah, just regular families. The overall concept of this game is basically, you played FTL. In FTL, you move through a sector fighting spaceships. In this game, you'll move through a village of some kind, through houses, killing people who live in the houses, taking the gear and moving on to the next one, the next house. And that's it. That's what it is. Or split screen deathmatch. I'm just stalling because I have nothing else to do besides start the next thing. Yeah, this is just gonna be a roguelike. Like Hotline Miami fucking FTL kind of thing, but it'll look like Resident Evil. I've been working on this game, Darius, for 7 years. That's when I started doing computer graphics. But this particular version I started writing in September. You've always got to start again, but this one I'm not starting again. I'm going to grind this to the end. Oops, that was big. Okay, so let's just, while we have some time, let's take a look at the most recent AK blend file and see what I've got. AK9, you reckon that's the most recent one? Okay. Is this one of my tracks? It is. So, what I need basically is this. That's the idle. Okay. DirectX is pretty similar to OpenGL. If you use DirectX 11, I didn't animate this, no. Another person did. I'm just gonna go big for a sec while I just search for something. Something I need. Found it. Now, because this is a custom engine, nothing is simple, and I'm using a it's a library to import the FBX files that contain the animations. What the hell just happened then? And basically, if I just export from Blender, it doesn't work. I've got to do a bunch of bullshit. And that is following this list. Now, I just slayed this speedrun. I'm starting the next one. Alright, let's go. Let's do this speedrun part 2. Okay, select this shit. That. 5 things. DM master and the animation I need. DM master, pose and that. Camera. And export as FBX. Res. Animations. What's this called? ADS idle. Now, what else? Selected objects only. Do I pirate my software? Fuck yeah, I do. Although I have a license for Maya as part of some work I do sometimes. Now, What am I doing? Negative Z forward, Y up. Uncheck those. Geometry. Only deform the bones. And what goes down here? That one, 1, 0. Well, that was everything, as far as I know. Let's import that into 3ds Max and take a look at it. Animations. Name. I don't see it. I'm scared I overwrote something important. What did I call it as? I called it that. So where is it? Res animations. Where did it go? Where did it go? Did I just not save it? I feel like I overwrote something important there. God fucking damn it. What the fuck? None of these dates are today. Glock. Well, maybe I didn't click export. Or maybe there was an error. Are there errors? Local variable. God, what's going on? There we go. I just didn't have that selected somehow. And here we are. And we know this animation is 64 frames, so that needs to be fixed first. Because 3ds Max for some reason doesn't load the animation time. Cool. Everybody happy? No, they're not candles, they're not candles, they are, what are they? They are fairy lights. Fairy lights. Sorry, I'm really, like, scattered and right now. You do need, what am I trying to think and say? You need artists. You can be the programmer and the designer. I think it's the best way to make something. But you cannot make all the models and animations yourself. So maybe you could, but I don't have those skills. And let's face it, it would be very hard to learn programming and animations and modeling and textures. Like, that would take a long time. But maybe there is someone who has. So what the fuck am I doing? I'm following my own instructions. Okay, it looks like this, and it does. So now remove the 90-degree rotation on this thing. Apparently. Because I can tell you, if I import that model right now, it'll just look like total fucking spaghetti. Remove that. Which is done like this. 0. Now what? Add 90-degree rotation for the Z of the camera. Here. Don't ask me why. And that's everything. So if this works, I'll be very fucking happy. And this song goes forever. Cool. Res animations on this, I think. Yes. Yeah, as I was saying, I've been out of town in a different state, went to go see a band, Blink-182, and I drank a lot and smoked a lot and did some other things. And yes, I'm just a bit scattered. AKS74U _idle. I'm just gonna make it play the ADS one for now. Wait, that's wrong. That was the animation for the character model, not the weapon. Now I must also load this. Is the volume okay? Everybody? This plan works as EA at EA. That's sick, man. Right now I'm just going to load this animation because they're not loaded automatically like the other files are. Asset Manager. Cool, looks good to me. Load. Cheers, okay. Can you hear a weird echo? Because sometimes this mic picks up those speakers plus the PC audio. So right now I just replaced the regular idle with this idle. It's cool we have the light. Okay. Now what am I going to do? It's good things are working. Basically there can't be weapon sway when you are aiming down the sight, for one. I think I need all these animations first. I do. While I'm here, let's just get them. In, out, walk. Cool, there aren't that many. Actually, there's a fucking billion of them. Damn, this will take a bit of time. That's alright. This is called ADS in. And for some reason I haven't got these selected anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops. In. Export. Yep, just bear with me while I do all this shit a billion times. Maybe I'll get quick at it. You're too big. There's a lot more shit here. Okay, it's gone now. Good. It's just that, and then adding 90 to here, isn't it? And getting the time right. Undo. 90. I can't wait for this to work. This beat makes him want to open his fridge. And lovely, it's also 64 frames. I'm just gonna get all these in here right now. While I'm in this file. In, out, walk, fire, 1, 2, 3. That's a lot of animations. I think that's a lot. Okay, cool. So, export this over itself. In. Now I do want to test all these one at a time. And it's probably going to crash on those missing file names, isn't it? What's up, Babyface Rambo? Thank you for enjoying this shit. I like doing it. Well, that one fucked up. This is supposed to be the idle. I mean the moving ADS in. Uh-oh. This is making me feel very weird. Did I not save this correctly? $11:11. The time currently is 11:11. So what went wrong there? Well, perhaps I just fucked something up. I'm gonna start again by re-exporting this over it. FBX. This all looks the same. Those are selected as I want. So I'm just gonna re-export that. And re-import this. I must have fucked something up. So, where is it? Select that, do this. Remove that. Now, camera 90. That's what I did. That's what I did. It could be because I loaded all those broken animations. Let's just to rule that out. And not broken, I just mean non-existent. Yeah, you need specific animations because he's not holding the gun the same way. I don't know. You know what I mean? Well, that works. He just holds it for way too long. And it goes like crooked. Or is the camera just crooked? No, we're good. Cool, okay, one more done. I'm gonna have to lower it, aren't I? I'm gonna have to tweak that a bit in the game. Just like what Into Truth said. These aren't quite right. Anyway, moving on. AES out. My apologies that I have to do this. And it's not my fault. Like, as simple as I was saying, the model importer library I'm using just doesn't. It can't load the camera correctly, or the root node. Out. And I just gotta take my time with these and get them right. KNVSS asks why am I using Blender and not 3ds Max, because I usually use 3ds Max, and the answer is because I do my modeling in 3ds Max and I fuck with animations in Blender, because the animator gives me these files as a blend file. That's the answer to that. Sick. These seem to have way too much time afterwards. I feel like I was wrong thinking that they were... Ah, they're not. They're fucking like 20 frames. 15. Well, gotta fix that. Out, yes. And test it. Gotta test it. Also, just gotta check something. I don't know why I went full screen for this. Ooh. I have to read this. This person didn't really answer my question. Sorry, this is just very important life stuff that has to happen right now. Maybe do some of yours. Yes. I barely read that. Okay, so what am I doing? Checking this. Yes, that's what we want. Import in. Just making sure this one's correct too, which we know it's not. That looks weird. I feel like I'm missing a bunch of bones, but we'll see. Now play the in one. Phone reveal. It is a S22 Ultra, whatever they're called. Sick. That's so fucking twisted. I know it is. Maybe that's intentional, but I don't think so. Yeah, it fucking twists. I don't like that. Because the out one doesn't do that. Does it? Just hot loading. Is that out? In or out? I can't tell. God damn it, they're both crooked. Why? Are they crooked in here? I don't think they're... Man, that sucks. Is the idle crooked? What is the drugs question? One soul wants to know about drug use. Yeah, what's your question? What's your question? It's fucking twisted still. We can't have it like that. So why is it like that? Where's that coming from? Do you reckon it's broken in here? I can't just be on an angle. Or is that intentional? Do you reckon the animator wants me to be on this angle like that? It doesn't seem like it in there. Although it kind of does. I reckon that's what they wanted. Or my code's just so wrong and I didn't realize it wasn't correct. Anyway, that's how it's going to be. Which is sort of shit. It means it's just going to snap when you change weapon. There's no problem in... The animation is too blocky. Look, I don't know what's going on in the chat. I just gotta get these animations out of here quickly as I can. So I have them all, I just need walk and the fires. This is 20 frames. And I've got to select that as well. Whoops, what the hell did I just do then? Export. I'm worried I just did something fucking strange. I have... Fuck you, Blender. What's going on? Blender, what are you doing? What mode am I in right now? Sorry, I just had a bit of a freak out. If I fucking overrode that file, I'll be so cut. Good. No, walk. I must apologize because this stream is barely C++ and it's barely OpenGL. I'm just clicking around in fucking around with my assets. Yeah, I've done mushrooms quite a lot in my life, but I don't do them so much now. Feet reveal. They're a bit dirty. On this one I have, you can't see, but I got a tattoo that says fuck cops in German. Scheiß Bullen. Nah, you could learn OpenGL. Yeah, honestly I prefer acid over shrooms. Shrooms just taste like shit. I just don't get this. 0, camera, 90. Yeah, it's so weird about that rotation. Maybe it's in here. It is in here. It's probably that one. But I'll figure that out later. Walk. We just gotta get this working. I got a bit of shit open I don't want. There's no way this music's not too loud. Okay. So, whoops, wrong one. We have that now. Player. ADS. And we are testing the walk. Build. Whoops. I'm not German, no. But I dated a German girl for 4 or 5 years. Yeah. There we go. Just turn it down a little bit. Man. Oh, that's why. This was 20, wasn't it? 20. I was just losing some of the frames. Build that again. I play guitar and piano. Man, why is he so crooked on the ADS? Should I try to fix it? I could just take a guess. I reckon it's that. It's kind of worth doing this because it'd be such a subtle change to make and it will fix it all. Well, wasn't that one. It wasn't that. Undo, 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 undo. Start again. 90 on that one. No, remove the 90 on that one. Add the 90 on this one. Could it be that? 90, 0, 0. Let's just do that. Walk. No idea why it's different here. That means we've got to fix the other 3 animations. Well, I'm just backwards now. I'm backwards. And there's no camera movement. Was there camera movement before? God damn it. Look, I need to go fucking piss. That's why I can't think properly. I'll be back in a sec. You can just look at the AK. I'll be back in a sec. What's up, everybody? What's going on? Okay. When is the hair reveal? What do you want to know about my hair? Okay, so a bit of a problem that there's no camera movement in this animation. Does the rest have camera movement? I don't know. Fuck. Let's just undo all this. And start again. And just systematically work through this. Yeah, I guess this is my first game. Bob is meant to bob. Well, there's no camera movement there. Plus it's still glitching around. What do we have in here? Yeah, there's no camera movement. So it's not my fault. I still think this needs to be this. I must have just not had that 90. That's my theory. Why is my player class so huge? It just has all the weapon logic in there and then all the camera, all the player stuff. Yeah, all the camera and player, sorry, all the, well that's fixed. You can see the top of the, up here is flat. And there's no animation, and I've got to fix all the others as well now. Fuck that. But I got the full 20 there, at least. Don't worry, I'm an expert at this bullshit. $90, $0, $90, $0. And how long's this one? What is this one? What is this animation? I feel like it's idle. It is the idle. And from memory that was 64 frames. Idle, yes. Now I'm not going to test these, I'm just going to trust my gut, and these were 15. And the camera needs to be 90, 0, minus 90. Now which is this? Is it the in or the out? It's the in. And after this, I'll do the fire later. Because you're probably bored as fuck of watching me do this. So we'll get to do some logic now. Cool. The animations are a mess because this is a custom engine and I'm using a simp, which is a piece of shit when it comes to FBX. Okay, so I'm gonna make it when you press right click, it does something. Let's get ourselves a little enum. Yeah, enum, ADS state. Wait, no, let's just have a fucking boolean. Oh, how am I gonna do this? Let's think about this. When you hold right click, some boolean can be true. And if that's true, it'll do entirely different logic. The project Bob takes, I don't know, you can see next time I do it. Well, it depends what files you've edited. Usually about 5 to 10 seconds. Magic Marketing Solutions, are you from Hobart? Lost my lighter again somehow. That's tragic. Two of us. Well, I'll use this one. And try not to set my hair on fire. Okay, so Old Beach. Oh man, I got my German Shepherd from Old Beach. That's sick. Cool. So boolean Man, I'm just gonna make it... Nah, I can't... I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I guess I just have to make it... The reason I'm not telling anybody where I work is because it doesn't help anything. It can only make problems for my job and my boss and the company. Like, there's nothing to gain. The internet is full of fucking idiots who like to cause problems. And yeah, don't fuck with my job. Don't fuck with the guys I work for. So how does shit work? Basically, I've got something called a weapon action. I'm just gonna make it that. So we need some more of these. Where's that defined? I'm just gonna hack it in here. I feel like this is a good spot to do it. Was it Bob that asked how long it should take to build? This file, common.h, this header, is included by basically everything, so this will be the slowest build there is. After I modify this. ADS in, ADS out, ADS idle, yep, ADS fire. Cool. Now, shotgun. This engine is called currently Hell Engine. I started learning C++ 7 years ago, but I took like a lot of breaks during that time. If you're pressing the right mouse, and I need a not ADS function, I think. For now, I'm not going to bother with anything so smart. I'm just going to write everything in here. No, I need a not ADS. Ooh, not in ADS. Oh, that's really dumb and ugly, but not ADS. I don't know. Not in... Fine. Yes, let's make this. Put some errors here. Yeah, a lot of people hate... a lot of people hate this song, but I like it. What's this shit called? What about in ADS? That's a better thing. If that, return true. Yep, what's wrong with this? Yep, the haters won now. Okay, and you are not in ADS. Where the hell is the AND key? And you are not in ADS currently. Then do that and play the animation. Don't play and loop it, just play it. So, we'll see what happens here. Yep, that's my phone. Sorry everybody who found that song too schizophrenic. What more do you need to see about this phone? So if all goes to plan, when I press right click, he will begin ADS and then nothing else will work. As in you won't be able to fire or do any of that shit. So regular shit still happens. Whoops. Damn it, what the fuck? It just lost the scope. Why though? Come on, man. What? When do I do that? What just happened then? It disappears. And never comes back. And I just have no ammo. Fucking weird. Well, let's just, circumcise the